This is the $100 you'll passively earn for hosting this hotspot. But maybe we should back up. Smart technology is all around us. A lot of that tech, like scooters, package deliveries, or even soil sensors used by farmers, relies on data to function, just like your phone relies on cell phone towers. But data is expensive, so businesses rely on local hotspots for a more affordable connection. That's where you and your $100 come in. We want to pay you $100 per year to rent a tiny, unnoticeable fraction of your internet to smart tech businesses in your neighborhood. All you have to do is plug in the hotspot, add it to Wi-Fi using the CoastFi app, and keep surfing the web like it's not even there. And don't worry, it's totally secure and won't slow down your internet and doesn't require any maintenance. Just plug it and forget it. We've got a network to build. Will you help us? It all starts when you apply to host a hotspot at CoastFi.com.